All right, so we're back to looking at multi-factor authentication. In this video, we're going to talk about the methods that users can use to authenticate themselves. So we're on our Active Directory, we're going to go into MFA. Now, I should have said earlier, there are two types of MFA servers. There is one type of server where you can download the server software and have that running within your own environment. And another type of MFA, which is cloud-based MFA. So when we were configuring those users for MFA, it took us to a separate website, and that was the cloud-based MFA. So let's talk about the verification methods for those users. I say configure cloud-based MFA. Takes me back to the second website. Now we have our users that we already saw how to enable MFA. And there's another tab called Service Settings. Now there are a number of settings up here, but we're going to scroll down to the verification options. You'll see that by default we have 4 verification options. One is a phone call, so they can actually receive a phone call that says enter the following number. Another is a text message, an SMS-based message. Third is a mobile app, so they would have a verification app that would basically set a notification to them. And the fourth one is that they're going to use that app that has a code in it that they have to then enter into the login. Okay, so there are 4 methods available for users to authenticate. Now it's possible that you don't want the apps to be involved at all, that the only method you accept for multi-factor authentication is a text message. That's entirely up to you. But as long as you accept the security of phone calls, text messages, and mobile apps running on their trusted device, then all 4 methods are equally secure. But of course, if you've got concerns that the SIM card is going to be spoofed, then they're going to have to only authenticate through their mobile app and not through a traditional phone method. Oh, that would be up to you. And so that would be settings through here within configure cloud-based MFA server. Now I will talk about, we were looking at conditional access earlier, and there's another way, other than configuring conditional access, we could enable trusted IPs where multi-factor authentication is skipped for requests from users on your own intranet. So if you have an office, let's go back to my IP here. If you have an office and you can set a set of ranges, IP ranges in CIDR format, then that will skip MFA for users that are connected to your application through that network. Okay, gotta click save for that.